Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jan and we are in Sofia once again, and I want to show you a flat we are renting for one night here in Sofia. The flat is also not far from the bus station and train station. It's about 5-10 minutes walking distance, and we were planning to book a hotel as usual, but the prices went up, and this flat show up on the booking site with a very good rate. It's about 50 lev a night, and also with a very good reviews, so we decided to check it out. Wi-Fi is included, and I'm not sure actually about the parking because we don't need it. But it's not bad, and I'm going to show you around. Let's have a look so you will see what it looks like. So we are standing in the hall. It's actually quite big, and it looks very bright and clean. That's the room. Look at this room. It's actually a really big room. It looked smaller on the picture, and I'm standing in the doorway, and that's the overview. But let's check it out the bathroom, which is here. And so what do we have? Sink, toilet from this side, also looking quite big actually. Once again it's a wet room, so there is no proper shower, but it's a good size, and again it's really nice and clean. And we do have a shampoo in here, and another shampoo, some soap. So, and okay, so it's nothing in here. I thought there is something else, but no. Okay, what do we have here? Nothing. Okay, toilet paper, and we're going inside the room now. So here's the bed, good size, double bed, or I don't know, maybe it's a queen bed actually, looks quite big. On this side it's a small table with kettle, and we have some coffee. Oh, that's really nice, and some sugar. So wardrobe, let's see what we have in here. Duvets, couple of duvets, and some hangers also. So, you know, not bad, really nice. So TV, walking space table, and windows. We are going to look outside to see what's in there. So it's actually on the road, trams and well, cars. You can hear it's very quiet with closed window. I'm going to open it. Well, it's not the busiest one because we do have the main road was there where we came. On the right it would be bus station, and that's the Maria Luisa Street, Knyginya Maria Luisa, and this one is Kozloduy Street. So a little bit of the view. We've been here before, you've seen it when we were walking that way to the center. So not very noisy, yeah, I would say. With closed windows it's very quiet. So now you can hear. It's very quiet. So we'll see how we're going to sleep. This is our first time in here, and there is an air conditioner. There are no radiators. Okay, so no radiators, but air conditioner. Well, now it's really nice and warm, and outside warm, and in here is also warm. So, and we have some towels. Well, that's the overview of the room, and that's it, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and I see you later. Bye, everyone.